In today's edition of the original Biohacking series, I'm going to give you an overview of this thing called longevity. Longevity, of course, refers to the length or duration of life, especially with a focus on extending the human lifespan and enhancing the quality of life as we age. Historically, longevity was primarily influenced by factors like nutrition, sanitation, and medical care, which all reduced mortality rates and actually increased average lifespans. Today, many advancements in genetics, technology, medicine, and even lifestyle science are creating new possibilities for this thing called longevity beyond which was previously achievable. The goal of longevity research is not only to extend the number of years people live, but most importantly, to improve health span, or wellness span as we like to say, which is the period of time spent in good health, free from serious disease conditions and disabilities associated with the aging processes. So let's discuss a description of longevity from maybe 5 distinct areas. Number 1, biological longevity. At its core, longevity deals with understanding the biological processes that contribute to aging, cellular damage, and eventual decline in bodily functions. Now, this includes the study of DNA, repair mechanisms, which we study a lot, mitochondrial function, cellular senescence, which I talked about last time, where cells stop dividing and accumulate, the role of telomeres, which are protective caps on chromosomes that shorten with age. Now, researchers also study pathways like ones that regulate aging, like the mTOR pathway, which stands for mammalian target of rapamycin, and then the AMPK pathway, which affects metabolism, cell growth, and even the body's response to stress. The second area is genetics and epigenetics. Genetics play a crucial role in longevity as some genes influence lifespan, such as SERT or TERT, more on that later, and even resistance to age-related diseases. Epigenetics is a study of how environmental factors affect gene expression without altering the DNA sequence, which is another important area. So changes in lifestyle or exposure to certain substances can influence how genes linked to aging are expressed, which may indeed promote longer lifespans. Number 3, we've got technological and medical advancements. Innovations in regenerative medicine, biotechnology, and even artificial intelligence are transforming the field of longevity, seems like by the day. Examples include stem cell therapies, CRISPR gene editing, and AI-driven drug discovery for age-related conditions. So these advances aim to delay the onset of age-associated diseases or even repair cellular damage, thus promoting healthier aging. Number 4, of course, is one of my favorites, lifestyle factors. Diet, exercise, sleep, and even mental health or stress have all been found to influence longevity significantly. Calorie restriction, for example, or intermittent fasting has been associated with longer lifespans in various organisms, and we know that not only intermittent, but even longer-term fasting shows similar promise. Physical exercise, of course, helps preserve muscle and even cognitive function, while adequate sleep and stress management reduce chronic inflammation, which is indeed a contributor of aging. And finally, number 5, ethical and social implications. The potential to greatly extend human life raises questions about resources, inequality, and even quality of life. Prolonged lifespans could strain economic and healthcare systems, and access to longevity-enhancing treatments may be a little bit unequal. Of course, life's not fair, as we know. There are also some philosophical questions about the desirability of extreme life extension anyway, and even the impact on societal structure. A lot there. So in summary, let me just kind of round this up and put a bow on it. Longevity as a field is rapidly evolving, combining insights from biology, medicine, and technology to create a future where people's lives may be longer and even healthier. It explores both the biological mechanisms of aging and the lifestyle and medicinal interventions that might one day enable people to extend their health span and lifespan significantly. So hopefully that helps with a little bit of longevity. My wife and I have been into this for a number of years, and we continue to study and research. So hopefully this little brief overview helps you somewhat. Hope you're enjoying these original biohacking series. More to come soon. Thanks for joining us. Bye for now.